Okay. Hi, Sophia. Thank you for joining me today. Um, I know we're here to talk about dental assisting as a career, and you've been a dental assistant for how long now?
Around 4, 5 years, 4 years, I think.
4 years?
Mm.
Okay.
And
So,
thank you so much for inviting me.
absolutely. And just a few short questions so we can get the word out about how wonderful dental assisting is as a career and how many opportunities there are out there. So, I'd like to start with what made you interested in dental assisting? What drove you to this profession?
Mm. To me, I always want to be involved in the health department. First, I got into trying to be into the nursing program, and I did all the prerequisites. And at the moment, I was international student, and I had to choose where to go. And then I started looking different programs, and I heard about dental assisting Camden. I'm from the Atlantic County, and you guys are far away from me, but where I hit the program excellent. And then I went to meet with the Professor Terranova. I call her professor always. Um, and then she was excellent, and she explained me to me with detail how the program was gonna be. And I had the prerequisites to get in, and then I applied for it, and I was very happy that I got accepted.
Thank you. Thank you very much. If someone went to you and asked, um, how do they go about learning about dental assisting as a career? What would you tell them? Like, where would they go to learn more information about dental assisting?
In my case, I went to the schools, and after I went to meet the director, of the program, and they ask more questions than you can. You give me so many advices, and then you explain very well how the program is gonna be and everything. And I think the key is meet with you or have somebody to explain it to you how the program, what it involves and everything.
So go to the schools
Mhm.
and ask advisors, direct you to
Exactly.
the dental
And be a little
areas.
prepared before you go. While you have while you talk the classes, with that you are a little more ahead. And then tell them, be clear why. Okay, this is me. This is what I'm gonna do, and they
Mhm.
can guide you and then tell you, okay, you can go here or you cannot.
Right. Okay. Thank you. What are the most satisfying aspects of your career?
One of my satisfied aspects of my career is to see the happiness in people's. For example, when you fix a smile, I work in both ends. I work in general and I work in specialty. I saw two, I like a, but I can say two sides of the coin. I saw when we start the process, for example, implants. Come somebody have a problem, for example, lose the front tooth. They are depressed. They don't want to talk. They don't want people to look at them. And some people, their job is speaking in public.
Mm.
And then they come to us. We do the process. The implant is a long process, but you talk to them and you start have a connection with them. And then after that, you see when they finish and they're so happy and they thank you so much for helping me, because at the beginning they come nervous, they don't know what to do, and then you try just to guide them and tell them, no, it's okay, you're gonna be fine. And then, yeah, always think that in that chair is not just a patient, it's yourself. You want to be treated, you want to treat how you want to be treated.
Yes.
And
Yes.
that is like what I see. And then with all the patients that I saw, I was very happy. A lot of them, we didn't do a lot of, in some cases was no a major change that you did, but the little thing that you did for them, they were happy.
Mhm. So you made a big difference in their life by just doing small procedures. To
Mm-hmm.
us, they were small procedures, but to the patient, it was the
Yeah.
world.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's true.
Because how you learn in the also in the program, dental is not just your mouth, it's the whole body is correlated to. It's one
Yes.
thing that we say, we keep fighting it with medicals, trying to take us, listen, we are here. If the mouth is not good, the whole body is start falling apart.
Exactly. I mean, the eyes of the soul, right? The mouth tells us everything that's going on within the body. So it's a
Exactly.
window.
Mhm.
Yes. What is the job market like, do you think, for dental assisting?
I think it's very, very, I wrote that one. Let me see. I say, oh, the worst. I said it to my husband to say it to you. Okay, now it is a lot of opportunities in there. You see like different offices trying to get people to work for them. And like I always say, you don't have to run to choose, oh, I want to go in that office. You can see what office go with your personality, because every office has different personality. Every office has different environment. You have to learn, okay, which one is for me. If you are learning, if you get in the environment that you want, you enjoy the job.
Very true.
Mhm,
That's exactly how I've always imagined it and seen it happen.
mhm.
Is dental assisting a good long-term profession?
Yes, I think as how I see it, I have coworkers that have 30 years working.
Wow.
Like and I did oral surgery, all special. Or the only specialty I haven't do is orthodontics. I never did it, but I did oral surgery, periodontics, endo, and the one of the my coworkers they have in oral surgery. She have almost 30 years.
Wow.
And there are
That's a
people
long
that
time.
they don't know to do anything else besides being their assistant,
Mhm.
because they started when they're younger.
Yes.
Hmm. And they have families now. Their daughters are grown up, and I think because of the job market, you can do 1 hours in one office. I work in 2 offices, and they understood that the moment they hired me, because I told them, listen, I already work for this office. If you wanted me to work for you, this is what I have, and they took it. I think
And,
it's, you
and you,
always have to be honest, and you always have to speak up and see,
yes.
this is for me. Okay, this office is for me. You work for them. If you don't feel comfortable in the office, because everybody has different personality, then you tell them, listen, I'm sorry, thank you so much for the opportunity, but you try for other office. But never burn a bridge. Always be
Yes.
very professional.
Oh, beautifully said. Beautifully said. Sophia, thank you so much for being with me tonight and talking about your career and your profession as a dental assistant.
Thank you so much, Professor.